Okay, thanks for joining. So today we will continue the session for Active Directory. Okay, so we discussed why we are moving to Active Directory, the concept we need to understand. So in the last session, I successfully created a Windows Server computer. Yeah, let me connect to AWS Management Console. Go to EC2. Yeah, here we have instances. I think so. These two servers I created in the last class. Am I right? Windows 2022, 001 and 002. These two machines I created. Am I correct, Kavita?
Uh, yeah, Rajesh. One of that you connected with the RDP. Yes.
Exactly. Right. So today I'm going to power it on and I'll show you. So what is a Windows 22 server and what is a Windows 10 server? The comparisons I'll show you. Okay, first. Now I just started the both machines 001 and 002. Let's wait for some time to connect these two machines. So in the last session, I clearly explained about the Windows operating system when you are connecting from your Windows PC through MSTSC, single console only, single machine we can connect. So we can use there is a service name called software name called Remote Desktop Connection Manager is available in internet. Okay, you can please download this from Microsoft website. Here is the download Remote Desktop Connection Manager. Once you download it, there's a zip file you'll get. There's a one zip file you'll get. Like this zip file you'll get, but you can download it zip file in the download folder. I have already download file is there. I'm just replacing it. Later on, open this location. Open the download location. So this is a RDC man. The folder was readily available. You can right click, extract here. Sorry, extract files. It will ask the location. You can click OK. There's a folder was created. Inside the folder, the RDC man exe file is available. So what you need to do, just double click on open this file and automatically it will open the console like this. Actually, this is, I already configured myself. This is already, I configured myself. So that's why this setup is showing now. By default, you'll get a empty one. You'll get an empty one. Okay? You'll get an empty one like this. So now I'll be removing here. Okay. If you want to create a new connection, go to File, New, and make it a file on the desktop. Go to Desktop. Suppose my AWS something name you can create. That's your wish. And this type of connection will be get created. Go to File, Save All. What are the changes you are doing? You can always go to File, Save All. And here you can add your server. Let's come back to my AWS Management Console. Now can select the server, copy the public IP address, right click, add server, and this is IP address. But IP address is very difficult to understand or remember. So display name, you can change it to a user-friendly name, this one. Then click add. Similar way, you can add another server as well. Go here, select second server, copy the server 2. Now can add it. So like a n number of machines you can add here. Regularly, if you are managing your servers in your office, you can add the servers like this. Okay, now I need to connect the server 1 by connect server as. What is the username? Administrator. Just you can type administrator and password. So password is, I need to extract from the key pair file and go to connect, RDP client, get password, upload private key file, and go to desktop, key pairs, Singapore. So now, not here, I think Manikanta, Singapore, 6:30 a.m. I'm selecting here, decrypt password, and I'm copying the password. I'm going to connect here and I paste the password and I'm trying to connect here. If you want to save this password, yes, you can save it. Otherwise, you can click connect and the system is connected here. See guys, the screen is not correctly fit into this window. How can you fix this issue? Okay. How you can fix this issue? Very simple. Go to File, Save All. Select my AWS connection name. Go to Properties. Here, display settings is there. Uncheck inherit from parent. And here, docked RD scaling, undocked RD scaling option is there. Scale to fit into window. And click OK. Now can select this. Exactly the screen is fit as per the ratio. Then go to File, Save All. Next time when you connect any server, okay, next time you have connected any server, automatically the screen will be adjusted as per our settings. Now can go here and what is the password for the second server? So even the same key pair file, password is separate from AWS environment. That's a security feature for the keygen file. in Amazon EC2 and right click on second server, click connect and go to RDP client and now click get password, upload private. Same file we need to select and click upload and decrypt password and get password here. Paste it, click connect and yes. Now can go to file, save up. Go to file, save up. So this is a way we can connect multiple servers in remote desktop connection manager. This is a way we can connect multiple servers in Windows. Okay, remote desktop connection manager is a Microsoft application. Most of the companies we are using this tool. Any other question?
I have a quick question. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, so I mean, this sounds not like a very intelligent question as like a DevOps, but just in a curiosity, as a DevOps engineer, you have to normally like control like several server, right? Like 4 or 5, and you can control the main purpose of this uh, operating all this server from one window is to control all this thing from all EC2 instances right from your left time with the remote desktop connection manager. Is that correct?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, and this is for just for convenience, nothing else. Is like definitely functionality will be better, but it's just for more convenience, like virtual.
I think your question is not clear. Okay.
Okay, so with this, I mean, I think I got it. I mean, like I was just like a clarifying. I think you certainly said like, yeah, that is exactly the point. I think I got it. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So everybody's understand, right? The server is used to connect the Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection Manager is a console from Microsoft company providing to connect the multiple Windows servers, Windows machines in single console to manage easily. That's the purpose we are using. Okay, what about Linux machines? No, Linux machines cannot be connected through Remote Desktop Connection Manager. It's only applicable for Windows operating system. Okay, is it clear? Well and good. So next, suppose in your company, you are managing both Windows and as well Linux. So normally, what is a tool we use to connect Linux machine? What is a tool we use to connect Linux machine?
Putty.
Yeah, Putty, right? So Putty also like a MSTSC, single console, single server we can connect, right? Huh? So we have another tool in the internet. Okay, the tool name called mobexterm. There's a tool name called mobexterm. So you can go here, mobexterm. You can download this and you can utilize it. So when you click here, this option, it comes with the two editions. One is home and another one is a professional. So in home edition, okay. So this is a free one. You don't want to pay anything. You can do all type of connections. That's fine. And if you go with a professional one, per user, they'll charge 69 US dollars, one license cost. Okay. If you join the company will provide the a professional edition license for mobexterm depends on company to company. I'm not promising right away, company to company. Now here you can go with a home edition. Now here you can go with a home edition. Right. Any other question? Hmm?
No, I think
No?
good in this.
Perfect. Perfect. So once you download this file, once you click the download, you will get two options. One is portable option, another one is an installable option. Install means you have to download the software, and the particular installable file we need to double click and install next. Otherwise, portable option is there. Once you download it, you will get this kind of file and you need to directly use it. Actually, this is an installable file. I already downloaded and I already installed. Okay. See, I already installed. Pretty easy. Installation steps are, don't worry. After installation, just you have to click open like this. And you'll get this kind of window. I'll show you how to access the servers from this console. First, let me delete all the connections which I already used it. Okay, this is the main console look likes. So here in user session, okay, in user session, you can create a folder structure. Example, Linux servers, Windows servers, like this structure I can create. In this Windows server, you can create a new session. You can add RDP server details. What is a remote host name? That's the IP address of the server. Go to instances. Now copy the public IP address. Paste here. Okay. And now username is administrator. Advanced remote desktop settings is there. If you want, you can change anything. You can change here. Otherwise, you can click OK and you can enter the password. Enter the password. So what is the password? Right click here, connect, RDP, get password, upload, open, decrypt the password, copy here and paste this password and click OK. Now it is connecting. It is connecting. Do you want to save the password for this server? Yes. And to save the password, everything in the master password, you can save it. All passwords will be saved under master password. You can save it. I don't want that. I just cancel it. See guys, this is the console. This is the console. If you want to rename the host, if you click rename, there's a session name is there. There's a session name is there. Here in the session name, whatever the name is there about in the instance console, you just copy here. Now you can paste it and click OK. So now easy to remember the server name instead of IP address. Like that, you can connect multiple servers based on your protocol, based on the project wise, you can connect each other. Yes, this mobexterm also we are using in the real-time environment very vastly. Okay, so my recommendation, you guys start practicing today. You can start practicing today from your system. Password. Okay. So previously I connected from here, right? It was disconnected and it is connected here. Now can go to connect any server based on your requirement. Kavita, Ramya, Hassan, Bogesh, everybody understand how to use remote desktop connection manager and as well as mobexterm tool?
Yes, Rajesh, can you connect your Linux?
Your voice is too low, Ramya.
Yeah, can you connect to the Linux server once?
Okay, you want me to show Linux server how to connect?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So go to Linux folder, right click new session, take SSH. You can enter the IP address of Linux server, username, and here is option called secure shell connection, right? So go to advanced settings. Here there is a private key now. Select this, browse, you can PPK file, you can mount it. PPK file, you can mount it. You know how to do that in the putty, right?
yes, yes.
Same way, same method.
Yeah.
Okay, IP address, username, and advanced SSH session, use private key. Going forward, I'll explain. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Very good, guys. Thank you. So you have understand successfully how to connect multiple Windows machines through remote desktop connection manager. And then second concept is how to install and configure the mobexterm. And by using mobexterm, how you can segregate Windows machine separately, Linux machine separately to connect multiple machines at a time in single console. Yeah, in this video.